Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got another brand new unboxing for you. Alrighty, guys, so before we get started on today's video, make sure you guys are smashing up that thumbs up button. It really does help the channel out when you guys are liking the videos. Also, if you are new around here, make sure you guys are smacking the subscribe button as well. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every time I upload one of my videos. Without further ado, guys, let us get started on this banger today. So these things restocked over on the Nike Sneakers app just last week, actually. So I was actually able to cop a pair. I never had these originally. I know previously these things were actually going for a decent amount of money. Talking resale real quick. Not that it matters all that much. But, so they shock dropped or they restocked over on the Sneakers app. I went for them. I just went, entered in for my size. I actually was able to cop. I was kind of surprised on that. There were roughly around 13 or 15,000 pairs on that restock. However, they should be re-releasing and restocking once again coming very soon, either at the end of this month or next month. So if you want them, you still have a couple opportunities to try to snag your pair. Now, as you can tell, this is just a standard Nike box in that orange and white. Obviously, it's just a standard Dunk box. Now, label reads Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium. Colorway is Sail, Fossil, and Medium Curry. I went with a size 11.5, which is my true to size in all regular Dunk Lows. Flip and open the box. The paper is nothing special. Your standard, like tissue paper feeling, and then you're gonna get these shoes. And guys, I am gonna say, first impression, man, these things are quality. Now, other than the shoes, you are not going to get anything else in the box. But man, first impressions right off the rip, guys, these things are glorious. So pretty much this shoe right here is going to be a different mixture of, I think, nubucks and suedes. Now, right off the rip, first initial impressions, quality controls looks like it is pretty decent. However, I do notice a slight scuff on the toe box of the right shoe, and then just on the back of the heel right here, I do have a little bit of discoloring on the back of that heel tab. But other than that, guys, pretty good as far as quality control is concerned. Now, like I said, things should be restocking a couple of times, so when they do mass produce shoes, you are going to get slight variations. But getting started on these, guys, like I said, it's going to be a different mix of a couple different materials. You're going to get some nice suede and also some nubuck. Now, I believe the toe cap right here, the entire toe box, is in that really nice fossil color. It's like a very nice light gray, all in that fossil colorway in that really nice nubuck. I think this is nubuck, obviously around the toe guard, going up all the way up to the eyelets and around the back of the ankle collar. That's going to be all in this long-haired suede, which is very, very nice, guys. Having these and then feeling them in person, they really did use some nice materials on these, especially for a regular dunk. Because usually regular Nike dunks and a non-SB, they don't use the greatest materials, I'm just being honest, but these, they actually did use some really nice quality materials. So obviously they get a plus from me. So like I said, guys, all over it, you're going to get on that toe box, you get the nice fossil colorway, also on the medial and lateral side of the foot as well. It's going to be in that really nice nubuck. Feels very, very soft and very nice to the touch. You are going to get a slight variation. I don't know if this is the Sail colorway. So this might be Sail on the swoosh. That's also going to be a nubuck as well. That feels really good to the touch. I'm loving the color options and color combinations on this sneaker. It's going to pair very well with all neutral colors. This honestly reminds me of a perfect fall sneaker. Not so much for the summertime, but obviously it's very neutral. You can wear it with pretty much anything, and you're going to be able to pull off a really dope outfit with these things. Also going to get some really nice nubuck. It's in, only way to describe this to me personally is almost like a caramel color. So I believe this right here, the long-haired suede, is going to be that medium curry color. And then going along the eyelets, to me, it's obviously a little bit darker, more of a caramel or an acorn type of color. Really, really nice. I love the way it feels. Really nice, soft nubuck on there. Wrap it around the ankle collar. You're going to get a nice little padded mesh ankle collar. That's going to be in your medium curry colorway as well. Same thing is going to go for your insole. It is going to be that medium curry color, as well as the Nike in, it looks like it's a sail, maybe not so much a bright white, but nice sail hit right there as well. When you go over to the laces and the tongue, standard comes in is just like this white lace. This might be like an off-white or a sail as well. Compared to the tongue, it does look like a little bit different shading of a white. So expect like a sail or a white lace option. No extra laces are included with this particular pair, so it's just going to come with this white set. On the tongue, you're going to get your standard white nylon tongue, and then you're going to get the Nike branding in that medium curry color, and I actually really like that. It gives it a nice little pop of color with the contrast between the white tag and also that medium curry color. And going around to the back of the heel tab, your heel tab is going to be in this fossil, and that's going to be a nice long hair suede, and then embroidered in the medium curry color is going to be your Nike logo. Now the medium curry, or more like a mocha brown, honestly, is going to be covered in the outsole. Now the outsole is a slight different color and different shade than the back of the heel tab embroidering, but that's like the closest color it resembles on the entire shoe right here. So a little bit darker than like your medium curry that you see along the upper, but I actually like that because there's contrast all over this sneaker. You get different shades, you get different material options, and honestly, these things are really, really clean. I did not know if I was going to keep these things in the collection. Like I said, I kind of just went for them on the sneakers app just to see if I hit. Luckily, I did, because I am actually really liking these. And obviously, Dunks themselves are honestly fairly reasonably priced, right? So these things, I believe, were like $125, or they might have been $130 or $135 for this pair. But overall, Dunks are relatively cheap compared to, you know, high-end Jordans nowadays. We're spending, you know, $200, $215, $225 at certain points. So yeah, prices of sneakers in general is just getting out of hand. So this is a nice welcome to the edition. Like I said, probably going to keep these things, to be honest. At least I'm going to keep them up until fall to try to get some really nice fits going with these things as well. Perfect fall sneaker. Obviously, you could rock these things in the summer as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these things down below in the comment section. I'm really liking them. I want to know if you guys went for them. Did you cop? Did you not? Was it something on your radar? There's been a ton of shoes recently. Not like nothing crazy that's too hyped up. We just been getting a bunch of pairs recently, and like I said previously, prices of shoes these days are just getting insane. So I get it if you are selective on your purchasing options, because personally for me, I am downsizing a little bit, so I will be selling off some of my collection. You know, I completely get it, guys. If I wasn't making content and stuff for YouTube, granted I don't make any money on YouTube as of yet, I would honestly not be picking up, you know, nearly as many shoes as I currently am. I really do it to obviously get them in hand, see if I like them or not, and then I'll make a video and produce some content for you guys, so you guys can make up your choice as well alongside with me on whether or not you want to either buy them or keep them. So like I said, let me know what you guys think about these down below. And like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a big fat like on that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Every time I upload them, you'll get notified. And that's all for me, guys. So very quick unboxing and review today of the medium curry Nike Dunk Lows. So my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.